Good morning. Chris with Reliable Home Improvement. Now I'm at home today and I want to show you guys one of the ways I keep my sliding doors, and I have 3 of them. I want to keep them smooth and easy to open and close because I'm not going to change these doors again for probably 30 years. Come along, I'll show you some of the steps and how to do it. Don't worry, it's easy. Now I use the Blaster product. It's silicone based. It's made for garage doors, it says here, but can be used on rollers here for your patio slider. But the important thing is that it's silicone based. I don't care what the name of the product that you use. This is just something that I was able to easily find. Wow, slides like butter. Hey, if there's any information you'd like to know about things you can take care of yourself in your home, please put a response down below in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video. And from all of us at Reliable, have a reliable day.